About half of 18 to 29-year-olds don't have a steady partner right now. Yet, about 80% of women claim that they are sexually active. So you gotta snap out of it, stop simping, and start asking you the real question: why is it that you're single? Why is it that you can't get the girl that you want? Well, good thing you asked, and if you didn't, go ahead, ask. Oh, I'm glad you asked. I'm gonna let you know the shocking reality as to why so many men are single. Let's hop into this. Number one, and probably the most obvious one, you're not making yourself available. Staying in your room all day is not gonna make anything happen for you. And no, look, you don't need to go to bars and clubs. I did a whole video showing you the best places to pick up hot women at that doesn't include that, and even how to talk to them there. Another popular one, if you're already gonna be locked up in your room, is send a bunch of DMs, connect with girls on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and here's a study for you. It was shown that women only answer about 10% of the DMs that hit them up. So what does this let you know? It's a numbers game. So in other words, you actively going out and putting yourself out there statistically increases your chances. Don't just shoot your shot once a year. I want you to be shooting your shot at least once a week. Which leads me to number two. You are over prioritizing women when you should be prioritizing yourself, your goals, your ambitions, your purpose. You gotta be constantly trying to level up. See, the more you build yourself up, the easier it is gonna be to appeal to women. See, women are looking for security. Women are looking for somebody that's stable and mature. So if you're still that kid that still doesn't have his stuff planned out, doesn't know where he's going with his life, has no goals, no ambitions, or any of that, it's gonna be very hard for a woman to attach herself to you. So instead of simping over them and paying $10 a month to see their boobies, I want you to be investing $10 a month into yourself, learning new skills, learning new hobbies, figuring out what type of side hustle you want to start, figuring out what career path you want to do, killing it in school, killing it at athletics if you're an athlete. The point is, build yourself up first. The more you build yourself up, the easier it is when you go into the market. And that takes us on to number three. You don't care about how you look. Look, this is a fact. Most men just don't care. They don't care how they dress. They don't care how their grooming looks. They don't care how they present themselves. And the truth is that when you're out there competing and you want a top tier 8, 9, 10 girl, you got to know that you're competing against the best of the best looking dudes, meaning you have to put effort into your appearance. You can control how attractive you are by the way you walk, the way you communicate, the way you dress yourself. Yo, one of the easiest things you can do, the easiest things, wear an accessory like a pair of glasses. How many of you actually have a good pair of glasses right now? I would say maybe 20% of you has a decent, good-looking pair of sunglasses, and that's on you because, yo, I have been telling you this for the longest. Sunglasses make you look better. It is summer. You should be taking advantage of this. Sunglasses will structure your face and make you look more attractive. Not to mention, it adds a little bit of that mystery, like what's behind the shade. And with our company, Jade Black, yo, I make it affordable. Our frames start at $49 using handmade Italian acetate, stainless steel construction, polarized lenses. You are getting frames that are just as good as designer frames that cost $300 to $400, but I'm selling them to you for $49 because you're my brother and I want to hook it up. So if you don't have a good pair of glasses, first of all, you're missing out. Second of all, you should be clicking that link down below. And matter of fact, go through our quiz. See, our quiz is simple. It'll take you about 30 seconds. We're going to ask you simple questions, and our algorithm will then tell you what frames you should be using for your face shape. My guy, if you're not taking advantage of that, I don't know what to tell you. See, we're giving you an affordable frame, and then I'm showing you what frames will make you look more attractive. Yo, and it's not just sunglasses. We do prescription and blue light. If you guys want to check out Jay Black and see our lineup of frames and check out the customer reviews, we got over 5,000 of them, click that link down below. Number four, it's social media. See, men have pretty much retreated to their caves. You would think that social media and having the ability or access to any girl that you want in the world, men would be in more relationships / have sexual partners. But the case is that over 50% of men aren't claiming that they aren't in a relationship right now. Moreover, the amount of sexual partners a man is taking on between the ages of 18 and 29 is declining in that age group over the past decade. And after some thought, it starts making sense. See, it is so much easier to pay the girl of your dreams $10 a month and then beat your meat to her, and then to another one, and then to another one, and then to another one, than to actually go out, put yourself in an uncomfortable position to actually build a real relationship. Social media is the reason why you're still single, which ultimately rolls us on to number 5. You're too scared to compete. All right, follow me here on this theory. All right, I'm gonna take you on a theory. It's my theory. We just dropped it out of Jose Zuniga University. It hasn't been studied yet. But we know that men today have lower testosterone levels on average than our fathers and than our grandfathers. We know that the testosterone hormone is what jacks up our confidence, our motivation, our need for competition, and it even jacks up our sex drive. Well, because all those aspects are now low, or at least lower than usual, you are now too scared to actually compete for that girl because you're not properly motivated. Your sex drive's not there. Your motivation, your drive for competition is not there. So therefore, you retreat into your room and pay another girl $10 for feet pictures, and you end up in this vicious cycle. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Look, I'm not happy about this. I'm here to expose the truth like an older brother that I am, and I want you to see the reality. See, you got it. You look good. You can get any girl you want, but these 5 things are ruining your chances. That's it from me today. See you next time.